Struggling to reconcile bank transactions in Xero when there's no invoice? You're not alone. Hit that subscribe button now and let's get it sorted. I'm Lucy from Burton's Academy and I'm here to simplify things for you by providing step-by-step guidance. First, we'll start on the dashboard screen and we'll go onto the business bank account. And then once that opens, we'll click Reconcile. What we want to do is look for the particular transaction that does not have an invoice or bill against it. So for example, Smart Agency, I know I don't have a bill for this one, therefore I need to create a transaction. To do this, I need to go onto the right-hand screen and start filling in this information. So Smart Agency is the contact name, so I can start typing in the who in this box. And if they are a new contact, I need to create a new contact by clicking the new button. Alternatively, if I have already created this contact, they will come up as they already have. So I can click Smart Agency there. And then I need to allocate them to the correct accounting code. Now, I can't always remember what the account code numbers are. So what I do is I just start typing the account code name. So this is IT software, and that will come up. So I can click on this one. I also have the option to type in a Y. I might not need to do the Y, but if I, for example, have spent 2 amounts on this company this month, or I am paying catch-up amounts, or I have a quote number or bill number that I would like to include here so that I can keep track of what I have paid them and why, I can include that Y here. If I'm using the tracking functionality within Xero, I can also include this information here. So my tracking is regions, and I can click on that box and choose one of those regions. I also need to check that the VAT is correct. If you haven't updated your Xero to be specific to your business, therefore I am not a VAT registered business, and this has not been updated, it will automatically pull through as 20%. I therefore need to change this to no VAT. And that's all, and I can click OK. Alternatively, I can add more details by clicking the Add Details button. And then I can see the transaction in full and add a bit more information if I choose to. So as you can see, the description has pulled through from the transaction on the bank account. So I can either leave that or edit that if I like. If I'm happy, I can click Save Transaction. And once saved, I can either click Reconcile or I can go back to the top and click OK, and that will also reconcile this transaction. And as you can see, it is no longer on my Reconcile screen anymore. And there you have it. Looking to gain confidence in Xero and accounting? That's what Burton's Academy is all about. Subscribe for clarity.